Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today's recipe is a worldwide, everybody's favorite. We're making hummus. I hope you like my recipe. In my mixer, I'm putting in soaked and boiled chickpeas. These have been soaked overnight and cooked in the pressure cooker with a little salt. To that, I'm adding in some garlic cloves, lime juice, roasted jeera powder, tahini paste, some salt, and to top it, some olive oil. This needs to be ground to a smooth paste. Our hummus is ready. I'm going to top it with some olive oil. And sprinkle with some cayenne pepper. Our hummus is ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe and use it.